Now we're going to question 7. This question is asking us about the idea of margin of error, and the way it works is super easy. So we were told that the result of the survey was that 35% of the people were found to be in support of the legislation. The margin of error is 3. That means that we can add 3 or take away 3, and so that would give us 32 or 38%. And this is the plausible range of possible answers that would make sense for this situation. So what would make sense for this situation would be if anywhere from 32 or 38% of the people supported the legislation. Now, by the way, what is margin of error really? It's the idea that we're not asking the entire population, so we don't 100% know. So generally speaking, the greater the percent of a population that you sample, the lower the margin of error. So if we do actually ask every single person in a population what they think about something, then we wouldn't have a margin of error, and we would 100% know what people think because we actually ask them. But in this situation, we need to find out what 32% of the 50,000 would be, and what 38% of the 50,000 would be. And of course, 32% is 0.32 of 50,000. Of means multiply, and multiply by 50,000, and 0.38 times 50,000. So let's get both of those numbers on our calculator. 0.32 times 50,000 is 16,000, and 0.38 times 50,000 is 19,000. So taking into account the margin of error, the acceptable range for the number of people who would support the legislation is between 16,000 and 19,000. And the answer choice that fits that is C, 16,750.